How to stop video autoplay on Instagram. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to disable autoplay in Instagram. First thing you do is open up the application. So from here, if you go ahead and scroll down through your home feed, there might be some reels that you see, and it will start autoplaying without having to press play. So in that case, if you want to disable these kind of autoplays here on these reels, then what you can do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right to head over to settings. All you have to do now is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this option, data usage and media quality. From here, if you want to use less cellular data, tap on data saver. So what it does is if you are on mobile data, it will stop the videos from autoplaying so that you won't consume much of your mobile data. And on the upload quality, just make sure that you turn this one off to upload at highest quality. So what happens is if you set this to cellular plus Wi-Fi, it will always upload a highest resolution media. But if you set this to never, then your autoplays will now be stopped as well. So there is no complete way to turn off autoplay, but if you are on mobile data, then you can turn this option on to stop autoplay. I'm on my Wi-Fi network right now, so that's why the autoplay is uh, playing. But if I was on mobile data, these videos would not play. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.